Hey guys, this is Electronic Summer back with a brand new video, and today guys I just wanted to show you how I fix the Android tablet. So it was like all these white lines that was popping up on the Android tablet. I didn't know how to fix it, so I took the back off of the Samsung Tab 4, and what I did was there was so the glass and the digitizer and the LCD are separate. So I don't know which one is which, but I believe this is the LCD glass right here, and then this is the digitizer. I just like opened it and then closed it, and then it worked. So basically, I'm gonna have the back off. So if it does it again, I'll just take the back off just like that. But yeah, it still works, but I really don't like that black bar right there in the lines. So I will be getting a new digitizer. I think it's like 25 bucks. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are doing this, please do it at your own risk. I'm not responsible for what happens. All I did was just take, all I did was like, this all I did. I lifted it up like that and then pull this up. So all I did was this and like that and closed it up. Just like Legos. They snap just like Legos. Just give me a second. So actually do not touch this. Only do that if it doesn't work. But open both of these like I said before. And then if it still doesn't do it, just keep opening this and it should fix the screen. That's all I did. So that's pretty much it for this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.